Swimming underwater scooter, explore the depths with power and precision. The swimming underwater scooter is a cutting-edge, electric-powered device designed to revolutionize your underwater adventures. Whether you're snorkeling, scuba diving, fishing, or simply enjoying a swim, this scooter provides a powerful and effortless way to explore the depths. Key features: powerful 350W motor. Propel yourself through the water with a robust 350W high-power motor, reaching speeds of up to 1.2 meters per second for 0.3 kilometers per hour, 2.7 miles per hour. Extended battery life. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of underwater exploration in low-speed mode or 20 minutes in high-speed mode, thanks to the reliable 4,400 mAh battery. Deep dive capability. Explore depths of up to 30 meters, 98.4 feet, opening up a world of underwater wonders. 3-speed switch. Easily adjust your speed to suit your needs, from a leisurely cruise to a more exhilarating pace. Universal action camera mount. Capture stunning underwater footage by attaching your action camera to the universal interface, compatible with most sports cameras. Smart APP control. Monitor and control your dive with precision using the Smart APP. Track speed, depth, time, temperature, and more. Parental Mode safety. Ensure the safety of young divers with the Parental Mode, allowing for supervised use and controlled speeds. Compact and lightweight design. Weighing only 6.0 pounds and with a compact size, this scooter is easy to transport and travel with. Easy and quick charging. Recharge your scooter quickly and conveniently without removing the battery. Child safety locks. Prevent accidental or improper use with built-in child safety locks. Integrated flashlight. Some models include an integrated flashlight to illuminate dark underwater environments. Specifications: motor, 350W high power. Battery, 4,400 mAh. Battery life, up to 60 minutes, low speed, 20 minutes, high speed. Max speed, 1.2 meters per second, for 0.3 kilometers per hour, 2.7 miles per hour. Max depth, 30 meters and 98.4 feet. Weight, 6.0 pounds. Compatibility. Universal action camera interface. Benefits: effortless underwater exploration. Glide through the water with ease, conserving energy and maximizing your dive time. Enhanced safety. Child safety locks and Parental Mode provide peace of mind. Capture stunning footage. Easily record your underwater adventures with the universal action camera mount. Versatile use. Suitable for snorkeling, scuba diving, fishing, and general swimming. Portable and travel-friendly. Compact and lightweight design for easy transport. Smart control. Monitor and control your dive with the Smart APP. Overall, the swimming underwater scooter is a game-changing device that enhances your underwater experiences. Its powerful motor, extended battery life, and smart features make it a must-have for any water enthusiast.